Hey guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to share a Facebook post to your Facebook page. So let's go to the Facebook first. Then, like, I want this picture or this post to share with my Facebook page. So you have to click on this share option. Then you have to go down and then you'll find here page. This option. Click on page and choose the page you want to share with. I'm choosing this one and click on switch. And if you want to write anything, you can write anything like this. Click on share and you can click on leave. Your Facebook page has been shared this thing. If you want to check this, you have to go to your Facebook page first. Then you can see that your Facebook page has been shared this picture successfully. So guys, this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.